Today we're going to be in the Aries community by Pulte Homes. It's a new master plan on the east side of Henderson. We're going to be looking at the Independence model. It's a single story, it's 3 bedrooms, 2 baths. So let's go in and take a look. So when you first walk into the property, the builder's modeling it with a den option. If you did not get the option, it would just be more space that would be open to the great room. Of course, there's plenty of windows for tons of natural light. It is an open floor plan. You have a nice sized breakfast bar, island in the kitchen. The models always have lots of upgrades, but even their standard features are really nice. Dining area leading towards the back. And it's pretty much a straight shot through the whole home. Nice sized pantry. There is plenty of storage in this model. You go down the hallway, you're going to have bedroom number 1. Pretty standard size 10 by 10 bedroom. Laundry room, which also leads to the garage. You have a coat closet. The hall bath for bedrooms 2 and 3. And bedroom number 2, also pretty standard, 10 by 11. Then you have the primary suite, which is about 14 by 12. Well laid out master bath, dual vanities, walk-in shower. The floor plan also does have a walk-in closet. We'll see when we get over here to the other side. It's nice to see that builders are doing, smaller single stories again. It's been a long time since they made single stories that were more affordable for the majority of home buyers. But if this one doesn't work for you, let us find you what does work. So give us a call, 702-480-9137, or you can go to our website, lvhomesgroup.com. Our details are in the caption.